We are checking out Little Stony Man Trail today at Shenandoah National Park. You're definitely going to want to put Little Stony Man Trail on your list when hitting Shenandoah National Park. It's a great short trail, and it's one of those trails you can add to a day in the afternoon after maybe a big hike in the morning. The elevation change is not too bad, but there are a couple of overlooks that you're going to want to check out. And we're going to show you that here in just a minute. So just pay attention to the trail that branches off to the right for one of the overlooks that you're definitely going to want to hit versus the trail that continues on up on the left hand side. We'll show you all of it right here. So a difficult part right here where you got to do a little bit of rock scrambling. Not too bad though, but you better watch your footing here. Woo! It's just beautiful. All right, you go left to stay on the trail, right up that way. But there is a beautiful viewpoint right ahead here, just 180 yards, and you definitely want to check it out first. The drop-offs there were really steep, but it was just beautiful there at that overlook. I think you can see why we wanted to point it out to you. And this is just prior to get back on the Appalachian Trail up to Little Stony Man Point, which is about 3,600 feet with really stunning views. But both of these overlooks were so gorgeous, we wanted to show them both to you. Got a little bit of rock scrambling right here in this section, so just watch your footing. If you're wondering, this is part of the Appalachian Trail right here. And you just have so many stops with these kind of views. It's just incredible. I think you can see why we were recommending the Little Stony Man Trail to you. And it's a great short trail, like we said, to fit in, say, in an afternoon after you've done a big hike in the morning. So definitely put it on your list when you're at Shenandoah National Park. We're going to leave down in the description some of the other hikes that we did in case that helps you with your planning as well. And if you enjoyed this video, we would love it if you gave us a thumbs up down below. Maybe leave us a comment, tell us your favorite trail there at Shenandoah National Park. And more importantly, we would love it if you subscribed to the channel and came along with us on all of these adventures. And until next time, get out there and camp, travel, and explore.